Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by equipping yourself. Open the site, sign in if required, and launch developer tools or a proxy. You want live traffic, so clear logs, set filters to XHR or fetch, and then perform the exact action that returns the data. Once done, watch the network requests appear. Make sure to note request methods, endpoints, and response formats. This step uncovers where the site fetches data. It's the foundation for every next move, because the API lives in those network calls. Now you dig into each promising request. Click a request, review headers, query strings, and the JSON body to understand parameters and required tokens. You should copy a request as curl and replay it in Postman to confirm behavior. Vary one parameter at a time to map required fields and limits. If responses stream or use GraphQL, use introspection or subscribe to WebSocket frames. Once done, catalog endpoints, methods, and auth. This detailed mapping turns raw traffic into a usable API specification. Finally, automate what you found. Build Postman collections or scripts that replicate auth flows and include headers or tokens. You must handle anti-scraping, so mimic legitimate headers, respect rate limits, and rotate IPs if necessary. Once automated, validate with multiple runs and add error handling for timeouts and retries. If things go wrong, check content security policies, dynamic tokens, or fingerprinting. Refresh session cookies and recapture traffic. This troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.